welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I usually do that. I don't know why I get thumbs up, but welcome. We have a Fashom unboxing today, and I haven't done a Fashom box in a while, so I just want to do it. And I wanted to show you before we open her up with the trusty rusty screwdriver, just how, like, look how packed that is. This is the top of the box. It should be flat. It is packed to the gills, it's packed. So if you haven't done Fashom before, there's a description down below. Although I do think they're doing something different now. I just got an email the other day. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, I found it. So I don't know if this is forever, but they're calling it a campaign. But it says they're running a campaign as of September 1st, only styling $95 Fashom style boxes. As in you keep all 5 pieces for $95. So it's $20 styling fee. That $20 goes towards that $95 for the whole box. So it's 5 pieces for $95, whole box. So that's what, like $18 a piece. So I think that's kind of cool. This box isn't that because I did it before September 1st. Sale boxes, there's no preview. There's usually a preview. You pick which items you want. So it's kind of like a surprise. And it's final sale, no exchanges, no returns. Yeah. So that's kind of cool. I hope they're not like I hope you guys are going out of business. I know you watch these videos. You're not, right? You know, comment below on this video. Cause like I know Natalie Attired was doing that too, and then like they were gone. So I like you guys. Don't do that. But it's a really cool campaign. I hope it's just like a campaign, like a sale kind of thing, hopefully. So September 1st, $95, 5 pieces, you keep the whole box, $20 goes towards what you keep. This box, however, was not that. Still $20 styling fee, 5 items, and I see what I want. So let's open her up. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver. And my favorite fun when I use scissors for some reason, and someone was like, where's the trusty rusty screwdriver? Shout out, right here. So let's open her up. And this is like especially the occasion I would use my trusty rusty screwdriver because this box is so packed. Like it's probably like the clothes are right underneath the surface like that, so I don't want to cut anything. Come on, you can do it. You're trusty, you're rusty, you're a screwdriver. Come on, you can do it. I know. Okay, it's done. As with everything, they send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. Except for the $95 box, you just keep it, I guess. I guess if maybe you don't like something, you just like, what, sell it or give it to someone? I don't know. Hello, Rachel. Yay, your next Fashom box has arrived. Thank you for returning to us for another session. My name is Jackie, and I'll be your new stylist. I'm so excited to work together, and will do my best to keep the great fashion you've been receiving going. I took a look at your past history and requests for this box, and I have some great fall pieces for you today. Let's start with the Mia or Moira tops. Moira from White Birch for some casual fall outfits. I've also included this Stella shirt, which can be worn shacket style over a basic or graphic tee, and the jeans as well. For a great transitional layer, the jacket from Mono B is the perfect topper for all your looks. Have fun trying everything on, and I hope you find some new pieces to add to your wardrobe. Let me know how it all works out. Your feedback is really helpful for future stylings. Enjoy. Stylishly yours, Jackie. Thanks, Jackie. So for this box, not the $95 one that they're doing now, if I keep everything, I get 30% off. If you keep 3 or more items, you get 15% off. So that's cool. And then my referral link's down below to get, I think you might get, I don't know if you get $10 for your first box because they're doing that new campaign. So I don't know. But my referral link's down below if you want to try Fashom. All right, I'm telling you, this is a big stack. It's a big stack. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Which side's prettier? Let's go with this one. Ta-ta! Oh, that is so cute. I didn't see that it had orange in it in the preview. Looks like we got a jean jacket, the shacket, and a few black tops because why not? She's heavy. She ain't heavy. She's my sister. Okay. ASMR. We're drinking iced coffee, in case you're wondering. It's just coffee and Premier protein drink, cafe latte flavor. I don't know. Okay, here we go. First top is a black top, and the black top. So I thought this was cute because it is black long sleeve, pretty basic, but then this part here is mesh. Mesh. I don't know. Okay, so I thought that was kind of cute, especially for like fall winter layering. It's just a little nice detail. So I was excited for that because it's like a basic. Basic. And then this one was a little fancy as well. It is a sweater. I don't know why I'm talking like that. It's a sweater. It's a V-neck sweater, and then this is the back, and it has a twist in the back right there. So I thought that was cute too. Obviously you have to, you know, probably wear something under it because it's kind of a wider knit. So wear a cami under it. This one, oh, this is a heavy sweater. It's quite heavy. So already I don't know. I mean, we try everything on because we don't know. But it's a really heavy black stretchy knit sweater, and it has like little cutouts. I was gonna say cuts out. Little cutouts right here. It's hard to tell with the black on black, but right here there's little cutouts. So in the preview I thought that was nice, but it, like literally my arms just from holding that up are tired. So we'll see. Here's that jacket. It could be a shirt or a jacket. Like layer it, you know. I'm really liking the orange in it. I didn't know it had orange. In the preview it just looked black and gray. And then the bottom has like little fringe on it. So I think that's really cute. I don't have anything like it. So I was excited about that. And then a jean jacket. Because I do have a jean jacket that I kept from, I think, Dia & Co. This one looks kind of big. Oversized, maybe. But we'll try this on too. So, yeah. Little jean jacket. Kind of just basic jean jacket. So, alright, let's try on this fall box. In case you're wondering, the shirt's from Stitch Fix. The jeans are from Stitch Fix. I got this shirt really long time ago. And when like, I think like the first year I started doing these videos. If I find that video, I will link it. But I don't know. But yeah, Stitch Fix, you know it. I really like the idea of this sweater. It's just way too big. I forgot to see what size it is. Let me see. I'm gonna look at the invoice. Oh, it doesn't tell me. Okay. It's just way too big. It's super stretchy. I feel like I would need to go down maybe like 2 sizes on this one. But I really like the cutouts right here because sometimes when the cutouts are right up there, like your bra would hit it. So like I really like where these cutouts are. But I mean, like it's just such a thick sweater that I don't even think tucking it would make it that much better. Like I for sure could not tuck this into my jeans. But like, that would be cute. But it's just so, little show. It's just so long. Let me pan down so you can see like exactly how long this is. So it's like right here. it goes all the way underneath my bottom. So like maybe with like some leggings, but that's just kind of not the look I'm doing lately, you know? So it's really cute in theory, it's just too long. Just too long. Tucking, like doing just the front tuck even. I mean, because then it's still below my bottom. It's just too long. Here's the basic black long sleeve t-shirt that's got that little mesh detail. I think that's really nice. I like this one. It's like a little twist. A little twist on the basic. I was gonna say a little twist, but the twist sweater's next. Yeah, you can tuck it in. I haven't worn these jeans in a while because I got them before summer. Yeah, I think that's cute. Should we layer the jacket over it? I think we should. Here it is. How about that transition? Anyway, this is really soft. It's like a really soft flannel. It has a button up here. Don't know why. Who cares? Alright, so it's really cute. I think it's cute. I don't have anything like this. I do have a lot of like black tops that it looks good with the black top under it in the fall. I don't know. I really like the fringe on the bottom. I think it's cute. Here's the back. I think it's cute. And then you could wear it just by itself as a shirt, but I think it's too maybe thick to wear it kind of like that, but who knows? Let me button up a couple of buttons. Give the illusion of a shirt. I don't know. I don't know as a shirt. I think it should just be probably, yeah, because otherwise I look like Al Borland from Home Improvement. Yeah, so definitely open, I would say, on me. Some people can wear them as like a shirt and it looks fine, but not on me, I feel like. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I don't know if it's my style. Maybe there's a reason I don't have anything like it, but I think it's really cute. I really like the colors. Very fall. Very fall. Okay, let's try on the sweater. Sweater. I didn't put a cami on under because I wanted to see where it hit because of the low back. So you can't see the bra in the back, but it's okay. The knot's kind of, I'll talk this way. The knot is kind of heavy in the back, so I feel like it's just gonna slowly creep down even more, kind of thing. Otherwise, in theory, it's cute. I had a knot back top before a long time ago that I never wore, so I don't know if I'd wear this one, and it's like I can't really tuck it in because there's a knot back there. I mean, I guess I could do like a front tuck. But it's good in theory. I just keep turning around. Let's put the jean jacket on. Real time. As long as it, oh no, it's all the way buttoned, so not real time. It's too big. I'm just a little person. Jacket's too big. My hands are fully extended. There's my fingers. I was hoping like this one, because my D & Co one is getting a little roomier. So I was hoping maybe this one would be better. It's not. It's really pretty color though. It's like for sure good denim. It's nice and like heavyweight. It's not, it's good denim. Oh! Are you a secret inside pocket? There's a secret inside pocket that goes with this pocket. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Okay, secret pocket aside, it's too big. So I'm thinking I'm just maybe, let's look at the prices of the long sleeve black shirt with the mesh and the shacket. I don't know if I'll keep the shacket, but let's look at it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, the Mono B Bay denim jacket, $68 for that denim jacket. I do like, they give you like the prices, like the original price, and then if you were to keep everything in the box, right, that one, what the price would end up being, and if you were to keep like 3 or more items, what the price would be. So that's pretty cool. Again, they're doing that $95 box now though, I think exclusively maybe, I'm not sure. Sound off in the comments, Fashom, if you watch this. So $68. The Tahari Susan V-neck illusion top, $42. So I think I'm gonna keep this one because I do have $20 invested in the box, and then I do have some credit from you guys signing up, so thank you so much for using my link. I really appreciate it. So I think I'm gonna keep this one, and it'll cost me like $2. The White Birch Moira open back knit top, $46. The White Birch Stella Frayed Hem Plaid Shirt, $56. That's a really heavy duty, like, I think it's more just supposed to be a shacket. I don't think I'm going to keep it, but I really liked trying it on to kind of see that style. And then the White Birch Mia Cutout Neck Top, $54. And that was a size large, I looked in there. So I think that knit is just so dense, it makes it so heavy and stretchy. So the whole box, long story short, $266. If you were to keep everything, it would make the box $186.20 for all those items, which they were all good. There's just like a little miss. There's just little things about them that weren't my ideal. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep that basic black mesh top. I think it's gonna be really good for layering and just wearing on its own for work, for play, for all kinds of things. Whatever else work, I don't know. What else is there? Relaxing? No, it's too cute for just relaxing. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out Fashom if you want to. They're doing that campaign, $95 box, 5 items, keep everything. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Maybe I'll do one of those coming up here when I have the money. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go clean the house and run some errands and do all kinds of things. How about you? I'll see you next time.